Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can play on two Roblox accounts at the same time. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox application on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, if you log in using your account, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Here, select the game you would like to play, but don't run it yet. Now, go to the search menu and search for Microsoft Store. After it opens up, go to the search bar, search for Roblox, and open it up. Make sure that two different accounts are logged in on both versions. Then run the same game on both of these at the same time. And you can see that I am now able to play the game using both of the accounts at the same time. And that's how you can play on two Roblox accounts at the same time. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.